my channel, I watched the early movie of Angry Bird because it's a special day, I guess. And I got this, and a few more prizes from this, like this one, like this keychain, stickers, and a notebook. And I got these prizes from these games, like two of this, and come play. This game is like put a coin in. This game you can like look at cards, like something in 3 matches. I'll go and watch the movie, and then I'll come out, and then rate the movie. Hey guys, I'm sorry, but my eyes have closed in this clip because there's something in my eye. I got this. You must think this is just a normal thing. It's just a toy, but look, it's a popcorn thingy. Cheese. And also this can change from red to green piggy. And I also got this. Nice one. The movie is about to start. I'll come later and rate the movie, and I'll tell you what's happening there. Guys, I found my friend from school. Her name is, I don't know, Grace or something, but her name is by that, like that. Guys, everyone's coming here to watch Frozen 2, but I already did like 2 times already. And because today is like Father's Day, this movie at 7 out of 10. I like it, it's good, but I get a 7. This movie is good because they team up and there's a new character. Actually, new characters. There's the Eagles, a new nerd, which is a bird's sister, the speedy one. I don't remember his name, but it's like she's really smart, and I ship them with Red. And why they team up? Because like obviously there's a new island which is called the Eagle Island. It's for the eagles, as you all know by the name. And they got a mission, and the Eagle Island, the villain, they're trying to destroy both islands, like Pig Island and Bird Island. Don't forget to come to this movie. It's really great. You should watch it. I don't want to spoil too much. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, comment down below, and don't forget to like. I see you because you can see me. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.